Hey guys, just wanted to give you a tour of our Canvas page. So, first off, this is the home page. You can click on Meet the Teacher to learn a little bit about me. You can click on Syllabus to learn some of the expectations. Down here, you can click on any of these to go to the topic homepage. You also have some tools on your left side. The syllabus will take you to the pacing guide. You will see when all the due dates are due, along with a list of the assignments that are part of that due date. Grades will take you to all the assignments. You can see if you have anything missing or what score you received out of what. You can click on modules, and this will take you to all of the assignments listed out by topic. And then the last thing that we have is Class Notebook, which is very important that you open. This will be a lot easier to track your work instead of downloading documents and risking losing those documents. So if you click on Class Notebook, you may have to log in, but you're going to want to open, I prefer OneNote Online. And then when you open this notebook, yours may look a little different than mine. If it loads. Eventually you will have your name will pop up and you'll be able to click on your name and see the different topics listed out. All your work will be placed here. You are able to use this notebook. It saves automatically. You can use Draw, so we will be using this feature later on. But I highly suggest you use OneNote because it automatically saves. If you ever have any questions, you are more than welcome to email me or send me a chat on Teams. You can find that information underneath Meet the Teacher. I hope we have a great term together. And again, if you have any questions, get a hold of me as soon as possible.